Everyone thinks the best-selling Gooseneck Hitch is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, B&W Trailer Hitches GNXA 2061. First up is the B&W Trailer Hitches American-made OEM gooseneck ball and safety chain kit for Ford, GM, and Nissan, priced at $299. What caught my attention is its reputation for durability, and the fact that it's a bestseller with a whopping 4.8-star rating from over 1,100 reviews. This hitch is designed to work with OEM puck system hitches, which means it fits perfectly with your vehicle without compromising on performance. It can handle demanding loads, and the polished finish not only looks great but also provides corrosion protection. The 20-pound weight offers a solid feel, and the handle locks in a horizontal position to prevent accidental unlatching, ensuring peace of mind while towing. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With this hitch, you get a clean and secure connection every time, vital for safe towing. Now, some people have mentioned that the price is a bit steep compared to others. Here's the thing though, you're paying for quality and safety. For many, the investment pays off in fewer headaches down the road. This is perfect for you if you own a Ford, GM, or Nissan truck and want a hitch that guarantees reliability. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option, but the value is definitely there for serious users. Product number 2, EWAY Magnetic Wireless Backup Camera. Next up is the EWAY Strong Magnetic Wireless Backup Camera, priced at $89.99. This caught my eye because it's a unique addition for anyone using a gooseneck trailer. With a solid 4-star rating from 2,300 reviews, it's a practical choice if you're looking for an extra set of eyes while backing up your rig. This camera connects wirelessly to your phone or tablet, making it super convenient to monitor your surroundings in real time. It boasts a 150-degree field of view, which is a game changer when trying to line up your hitch. The infrared night vision is particularly impressive. It allows you to see clearly even in low-light conditions, which is crucial for those early morning or late-night hookups. Plus, it's IP68 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about it failing in tough weather. Here's why this matters for you. With this camera, you can hitch up without the guesswork, making towing safer and easier. However, some users reported connectivity issues, especially with certain phone models. I'll be real with you, if you're not tech-savvy, this might feel a bit frustrating. But for those who can navigate the setup, it's still a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you frequently back up trailers and want to simplify the process. Skip this if you prefer a wired solution or have compatibility concerns. Product number 3, B&W Trailer Hitches GNXA 2062. Coming in third is another B&W Trailer Hitches product, their American-made OEM gooseneck ball and safety chain kit for Ram, priced at $298. With a similar 4.8-star rating but 645 reviews, it's clear that B&W has a reputation for reliability, especially among Ram owners. The standout feature here is its turnover ball design, which allows for both towing and cargo hauling without the hitch getting in the way. When you're done towing, the ball flips over and stores out of sight, keeping your truck bed completely unobstructed. This design is perfect for users needing maximum utility from their truck. All components are steel-plated to resist corrosion, emphasizing durability. Here's why this matters for you. You get both functionality and protection from wear, which is essential for long-term towing. There have been a few complaints about installation difficulty. Now, some people might find that tricky, especially if they're not experienced. But once it's in, the benefits far outweigh that initial challenge. This is perfect for you if you own a Ram truck and need a reliable hitch that doesn't compromise on functionality. Skip this if you want something that's easy to install right out of the box. Product number 4, Mission Automotive Ball Grease. The fourth product is Mission Automotive Ball Grease, priced at just $13.99. At 4.7 stars from 4,400 reviews, it's a real crowd pleaser for anyone looking to maintain their hitch. I didn't expect to find something like this so highly rated, but it's crucial for keeping your towing setup in top shape. It's compatible with all hitches, which means you don't have to worry about whether it will work with your specific model. Plus, it's non-staining and doesn't melt away, so it stays put during all weather conditions. Here's why this matters for you. Using this grease means you can avoid unnecessary headaches and ensure a smoother towing experience. Some users mention the size being smaller than expected for the price. Here's the thing though, a little goes a long way with this grease, and the quality makes it worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you want to extend the life of your hitch and ensure smooth operations. Skip this if you're looking for a larger quantity at a better price. Product number 5, Gooseneck Magnetic Trailer Hitch Alignment Kit. Finally, we have the Gooseneck 52-inch Magnetic Trailer Hitch Alignment Kit, priced at $24.99. It's rated 4.6 stars from 900 reviews, and I was genuinely surprised by how much easier this can make the hitching process. This kit features a 52-inch tall design that makes it easy to see above your truck bed. The strong neodymium magnets hold the alignment guides securely, even in windy conditions, which means you can hitch up without needing a second person. This is a huge time saver and less stressful. Here's why this matters for you. If you often hitch up alone, this tool can make the process hassle-free. Some users found the poles could feel a bit flimsy, but honestly, as long as you're careful, most people find they work perfectly for their needs. This is perfect for you if you frequently tow trailers and want to streamline the process. Skip this if you prefer a more heavy-duty option. So there you have it. We covered 5 solid gooseneck hitches. Whether you're looking for reliability with the B and W options, tech-savvy convenience with EWAY, or the maintenance of Mission Automotive, there's something for everyone. Just remember, the best choice depends on your specific needs and how you plan to use your towing setup.